Hello everyone. Today let's see how to introduce sandpaper letters to children. So sandpaper letters is given as an introduction to teach the children about letters and its sounds. So these are sandpaper letters. Shall we do this? So I usually take at least 4 letters at a time so that they can be given matching activity and all that. So watch, okay, like every Montessori activity we give minimum oral instructions. Children are supposed to watch and understand. This is A, slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line, A. Okay. This is B. Two fingers, straight line, curve, curve, B. This is C. Curve, C. This is D. Straight line, curve, D. Okay. Would you like to try this? Have you noted that I have kept the sandpaper cards face down like this? I just did this because I don't want the child to see 2 letters at a time. If I keep the letter like this, they may be watching this, and when I say B, they may be looking at A. So I just wanted to avoid that error so that they can see only one letter. When I am showing B, they should be seeing only B. It's up to you whether you want to do it like this or not. Okay, so Jana, shall we try it?
Straight line, curve,
D. So this has been the first lesson. The child is introduced the letters and she has tried to trace it also well. So let's check if she has understood all the letters. For that, I'll keep the cards assorted on the sheet. Jana, can you show me C? Okay. Can you show me B? Very good. Can you show me D? Can you show me A? Very good. Now what is this letter?
C,
And this is?
D,
Is this D? What is this letter? B. And this is?
A,
And this is? D. And this is? Very good. So she has got all the letters and she can name the letters as well. So capital letters, we give the name of the letters, and for small letters we give the sound of the letter. Okay, let's try that, the small letters. Okay. So let me keep this back. Watch. Ah. Ah. Curve, up, down. Ah. B. Straight line, curve, B. K. K. Curve, small curve, K. And this is D. Curve, up, down, D. Curve, up, down, D. Now would you like to do this? Okay, shall we try this? I'll keep it here. You take. Slowly. Sound. Ah. B.
Curve up, down.
D.
D.
Okay. Now in the second period, let's see if she remembers all the sounds. Okay, for that we will keep it assorted. Can you show me D? D. No, that is B. B is straight line and curve. D is curve up down. Okay, this is D. D.
D.
Okay, and can you show me K? Okay, and B. Ah. Very good. D. Okay. B and D usually kids make confusions, so you can try giving that only, showing that only. Can you show me which is B and D? Okay, curves come in the front, and here B curves comes next to straight line, right? Okay. So let's see if she can say the sounds. What is this sound?
K.
And this is?
A.
And this is?
D.
This is?
B.
So once you are sure that she can name the capital letters and the sounds, we'll try matching the two cards. Shall we try matching the two cards? I'll show you how, okay? A.
A.
A. Ah. Let's keep this like this. Okay. B.
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 And we will keep it face down. Okay.
C.
C.
K.
C.
C.
D.
D.
D. D.
D.
D.
D.
Do you like to do that? I'll keep it.
A. B. B.
Louder.
C. K. D.
Here she has already achieved to name the letters as A, B, C, D, and also to sound and the sound of the letters A, B, K and D. The next thing she should understand is to sequence the letters. Okay? And shall we sequence the letters? First letter is A. After A, B. After B, C. And after C, D. Shall we sequence the sounds as well? Ah. Ah. B. K. D. Do you want to do this? What is it? Louder?
A. B.
B.
C.
C. D. Shall we sequence the sounds? This is A.
B.
B.
K.
K.
D.
D. Okay. Now I'll keep this here and there. Okay. You have to do it again. Can you do it one more time? Okay. Do it. This is
A.
after A.
B.
This is B, capital B. Yes.
B.
Okay. Now match with small letters or sounds. Louder sound. Ah.
B.
B.
K.
K.
D.
D. Very good. So in this way you can go add on 4 letters and go till Z.